Is Mnangagwa sincere about stepping down? Achiperi bweshe muri Zimbabwe tonoti vakomana vezimwe eva vakati aiwa toda kuti timbonyasa kumbopenengura nimboona kuti ichokwadi here ichi kana kuti aiwa aingonova speculations ekuita kuti maybe time ingofamba saambira mashoko abuda achinyorwa pana vanoti vosubscribe like kuti on the bell icon vanyari vachiti this announcement comes amidst speculation suggesting Mnangagwa's political interest in extending his presidency beyond the constitutionally mandated limit. Previously, Mnangagwa had fueled speculation with statements like 2030 Ndendi Chipo, meaning I'll be still there in power in 2030, indicating a possible desire to remain in power beyond his second term. Critics remain skeptical of Mnangagwa's sincerity, with some expressing concerns about potential efforts to amend the constitution to facilitate a longer presidency. The president's latest remarks, however, appear to signal a commitment to respecting the term limits and transitioning leadership within ZANU-PF when the time comes. In response to these developments, there has been a varied public reaction, with some welcoming Mnangagwa's affirmation of term limits as a positive step towards democratic governance, while others remain cautious, citing previous political maneuvers within the ruling party, ZANU-PF. Ndo mashoko atiri kuona ari kubuda panapa tonoti aiwa some other people they are believing kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika aiwa anofanira kustepa down, vamwe vanoti aiwa anogona ari manyepo nekuda kwemaprevious political maneuvers achiti aiwa tinozobvuma kana tona vastepa down. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna kweme section medu musangano subscribe kuleka chinotina on the bell icon.